Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome wherever you are around the world. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the day trader. I'm live here every weekday for the opening bell and the closing bell. Everything you're about to see is real, genuine. It's my real money. We have a wonderful community. We are very unique. You found a very unique platform here on YouTube and over 20 different platforms, including TikTok at the same time. But the very best place to watch the show is on YouTube because you can talk to my community of traders and see all the trading screens. If you're watching me on TikTok, you can't see that. So do come and join us. We are live here every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. We sell nothing. We influence nothing. We have nothing to offer you than support and a community, and we are growing a real portfolio. This is my real money. Let me go straight into it now. So let's click subscribe and ring the bell if it's your very first time here. And don't forget, as always, start off by giving us a thumbs up. Helps promote the video. We're only 10 weeks old this week. We took a month off, so we're 10 weeks old this week, and we've gone from 0 to nearly 1,600 subscribers in just 10 weeks. Phenomenal. The support we get is great. Right, let's go over to my live portfolio. You can see it up in the top corner there. It's now up to 57,000. We're breaking records at the moment nearly every day. It's actually quite incredible. We're trading with Bitcoin, and we're also trading with stocks and shares, including Tesla, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, a whole array of wonderful stocks. All right. Let's get directly into our main trading screen. Here we go. This, as you can see, my actual portfolio, 57,124. Smoothing, we've got just 28 minutes to go before the bell goes. And then we'll be there trading live. It does happen in the show where I actually trade live. We use the Robinhood platform. Here you go. You can see it right now. If you're over on TikTok, hit the profile link again and come into YouTube. You're missing the show. You can't see anything here on YouTube at all, on TikTok. You need to be in YouTube. I want to welcome our guest this morning. Graphics card is here as always. Leah, good morning, and Bill. Hi, hello, and good morning. Grabs my comfy chair in the corner and watches the show and waits for the bell. Hey, Bill, it's great to have you here. Fantastic. We're off and running. Great stuff. Okay, there you can go. There you see my portfolio right now. If we go to the live position, this is where we are now. We're just up 0.02%, $12 in the last hour. And there is the day position. All right, let's run down through our trading screen. Let's go over to here. So first of all, we've got Tesla is up 1.21, as you can see there on the opening bell. Space just down very slightly. Great news from Space last night. Oh, good morning, Christopher Marantet. He's here with me again. That's 2 days in a row. What's going on? Have you smashed the like button? You've got to pay your ticket to be here. Everybody on TikTok, we got an army now on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. I got 20 platforms streaming live right now. Hey, Chris, I wonder if we could put this on Live Stream Cafe too. What do you think? It could go out there. There's no reason why it couldn't. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do that. We talked about that, didn't we? It could be streaming there too, right? Hey, what the hell? Jay Hill, hi bud, hope you're well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I thought I had credit with you. You've always got credit with me, mate. Let me share that to the screen. I love that. There we go. There he is. He's cut his hair, let's see. Fantastic. Virgin Galactic. Let's all share. Hi, Jay Hill. We've got an army now over on TikTok. Hit the profile again and come into the YouTube. That's where you'll see my trading screens. You don't see it on TikTok at all. All right, let's go over now to Robinhood. I bought some shares in Robinhood last night. It dipped. We are down, 0.85%. It's not enough. It's not dipped enough for me to buy any more of that, actually. So I'm going to leave it for a while, but that's not too bad. Lucid up again on the pre-market. Look at this, up 35% now. The electric market is exploding. The anything to do with space, everything to do with I forgot the words. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's one of those mornings. Harpoon Therapeutics, it never does anything pre-trade. Pre-market, it's always quiet, very low volume. I expect this to bounce when they make their discovery, of course. It's a pharmaceutical company. Bitcoin, 68,000. heading to 100,000. Absolutely fantastic. So much good news around Bitcoin. I don't know if you've been following the news. Look at this. Kraken predicts $96,000 Bitcoin. Top analysis sees 1 trillion Bitcoin market cap is now cemented. I don't know what else to say about Bitcoin. We've said it all. It's the most secure asset of all time. It's going to keep growing. It's never going to stop. It can't stop. It's impossible. Right. Johnson & Johnson just down slightly. I want to get out of this right now. Some of my more traditional stocks are just not performing anymore. At the end of the day, you know, they're all good investments. You know, of course you'd invest in Coke. Of course you'd invest in Apple. But at the end of the day, is your money serving you best there? Right now, I'd probably say not. So there you go. Disney down very slightly. Google up 0.29, and great. A lot of future with Google. We'll talk about that. McDonald's is just down very slightly. PayPal in all kinds of trouble. I'm down 30% on this one. I've only got one stock in it. I always buy one stock first, one share, to see how it performs. All right. So I'm down, $81, which is not what I want. But remember, it's the overall portfolio. What's important. Boeing, not too bad at all, down very slightly, but there we go. So let's go and look at the overall charts right now. We've got just 23 minutes to go before the bell goes. We've got 7 likes now in the chat. Let us know what your position is, how you're feeling today. I want to make sure everybody's feeling well, all right? Let's look at Tesla. So there we go. We've got some movement on Tesla already. We know that because we've seen that already on the main graph, up 0.95. You can see a bit of volume coming in there right now. Let's go over to some breaking news, some useful news for us. Rivian, of course, tomorrow. I'm waiting. I have my money on hand. Let's hear from this lady here on CNBC.
Is expected to price tonight in what could be the most anticipated IPO in the electric vehicle world since Tesla. Phil LeBeau joins us right now. He's got the details on this, and there is a lot of hype around this and a lot of money, too.
There is a lot of money, Becky, and don't be surprised. They've already raised the range on this IPO. Don't be surprised if this runs. Because once it starts trading tomorrow, I've talked with a number of executives in the auto industry. The level of anticipation and how much excitement there is around Rivian, we haven't seen.
So we're looking at Rivian right now. I see I've got some questions coming in. Hi, Jay. Lovely to have you over on TikTok. If you're 90% of my TikTokers who are just scrolling through looking for naked ladies, you're in the wrong place. You need to be on YouTube. I use TikTok as a way to introduce you to my community. Click on the profile here, click it again, and the YouTube link's right there, and you can be in and you can see all these trading screens. You can't see any of it on TikTok. Bill, I'll read that out in a minute.
Seen this in a long time. So let's bring everybody up to speed in terms of what the IPO will come out as. Remember, the pricing is after the bell today. Previously, the range was $57 to $62 a share, now $72 to $74 a share. And the valuation is now up to $65 billion. Let's put that valuation into some perspective with either EV startups or established automakers that are out there.
Let's get one thing straight, guys, right? Tomorrow, this is going to explode. I think this will be the biggest IPO probably ever in history, with the amount of money that's being pumped into it, with the hype that's behind it, the institutions and industries that are supporting it. Amazon, of course, are backing it. They're 20% owners of it. It's gonna fit out all their electric vehicles around the world. I mean, this is going to be so ridiculously big. How do you buy into it? If you're not on the pre-IPO, you're going to pay a premium, and I'm not in the pre-IPO. I can't get in. I can't get on it. I didn't even try. I've no idea where to look, to be honest. I didn't even look at it. I was hoping it was going to be on Robinhood and make it nice and easy for me. That would have been good. I would have dropped $3,000 on it, but unfortunately, it's not. So But you know, this is going to explode tomorrow. We're going to be covering it live on the show, of course. It's going to be very, very exciting. If you're over on TikTok, hit the profile link, hit the YouTube link, come and join the trading screens. You see nothing on TikTok at all. Don't be the 90% looking for ladies. Be the 10% that want to make some money and join my wonderful, wonderful community. Christopher, graphics card, Leah, they're all here at the moment. And Jay Hill, we've got Bill from Canada. Come and join us. Oh, by the way, Bill, Christopher's from Canada too. Maybe you two could start up a conversation.
Trading right now in terms of their market caps. You've got Rivian coming in potentially up to $65 billion. It would be valued more than the market cap of Honda, getting close to Lucid, and Ford is $79 billion. By the way, that Ford valuation, go back 6 months, it was far lower than that, probably down closer to $55 or $60 billion. It's really just taken off within the last 6 months or so. So for Rivian, we know so much about the R1T pickup truck, the electric pickup truck. We did a review with it where we had a chance to drive it, get a sense of what it's all about. They are expecting to deliver 1,000 of these pickup trucks this year.
Let's say one thing, right, about this pickup truck, right? Everyone's all excited about this bloody pickup truck, right? If you're going to be a multi-billion-dollar company and a trillion-dollar cap like Tesla, you need an international market. No one cares about the truck outside of the US. No one. Trust me, I've traveled to 195 countries. They couldn't care less about the truck. I'm fed up with hearing everybody hyped about a flipping truck. Truck is not the money. The money is the Amazon fleet of lorries, vans. That's the thing. And if they need to create and invent and build a car like Tesla. That's what they need to do. Listen, Rivian. Come on and watch my show. Call in. I'll tell you right now. Forget the truck market, right? It's not important. It's a small piece of what you're trying to achieve.
They have lost $994 million. They did that in the first half of this year. They've got 48,000 orders for the R1T pickup truck. The other part of the business that perhaps is not appreciated as much as it should be is Amazon. We're going to show you shares of Amazon.
Look at that. Did you hear that? These are hedge funders. These are multi-million-dollar professionals. And he has just repeated what I've just said, right? And I said it first, right? So I didn't hear this video, right? Exactly. It's got nothing to do with the trucks. No one cares. You need to get out of America and travel a little bit. Nothing to do with trucks.
Amazon and Ford, both of them have a stake in Rivian. Amazon owns 20%. Ford has 12%. Many people I've talked with, guys, have said, look, if you're looking at Rivian strictly as an EV play, that's understandable, but you are discounting the impact and the potential growth with Amazon. They've got a...
Thank you very much for saying that. I do appreciate it. This is what's coming up tomorrow. Let me come back to that story because, you know, that's obviously a big story. But, you know, as I keep saying, it's got nothing to do with trucks. No one ever listens. Especially on Twitter. Anyway, 57,000 now in my portfolio. Let's go across the charts and let's have a look. Right, so Tesla's got a bit of selling now coming in. As you can see, if I go to my trading screen, it's just dropped slightly. But we've seen some recoveries from yesterday. I didn't actually buy the dip. I didn't see any point. It wasn't enough. But remember, Elon Musk hasn't sold yet. You'll know when he sells because it'll drop to 20-30%. So, you know, you don't know when that's going to happen, but it could be to do with his tax bill now. I think he's playing around with Jeff Bezos tomorrow. He wants to destroy the IPO for Rivian, take money out of that, which is, of course, he's done already with me because... you know, in fact, no, not with me. I didn't buy a dip, but nevertheless, you can move things with it. What's that? What IPO are you talking about? Sorry, just got on. Talking about Rivian IPO, the biggest IPO in history. You guys on YouTube Live, come to YouTube. It's far, far better to be in YouTube than it is. In fact, Bill, you are often in TikTok. If you could... be in TikTok for me and keep posting in the chat. Join on YouTube. It's better. Links in the profile. If you could keep posting that comment, that would be really, really great. I don't know if you can do that at all, Bill, while you're doing everything else you're doing for me. And I promise today, after this show, I will get that portfolio on Twitter for you. I've been promising for a long, long time. It's overdue. Right. Hi, the Queen of Self-Braiding is here. Where in Canada? Bill? Oh, Newmarket. There we go. We've got two Canadians in the house today. And and the Queen of Self-Braiding is here. Rob, we're promoting, as this channel gets bigger, by the way, we're now getting 20 subscribers a day to this channel, and I'm blown away because the channel's been closed for a month, and I thought when we started yesterday it would be awful, but actually it's already back to where it was, 20 a day. So this channel is going to be really great. So anybody that comes on my channel and you want to promote your channel, please feel free. Go into any of my videos, comment below, and I'll promote your posts. I want everyone to grow. That's what this community is about. Lucid is up. Oh my God. Lucid is up 3.57%. Shall we look at the chart of that and see exactly what's happening there? As you can see, some great volume coming in over on Lucid right now. There you can see it, and it's looking great. The 5-day average is, look at it. It's just up and up and up. If we go back over the week, let's have a look over the week and see that. Yeah, the 5-day average is just moving up. Look at that. It's good, isn't it? It's I'm very, very excited about Lucid. Lucid has a great product. It's the first 500-mile range car. So, you know, you can forget it. You can just charge it at home and forget it. Christopher says he's driven through Newmarket plenty of times. I'm in Windsor. Yes, he is. Harpoon Therapeutics. We're looking for a bit of a bounce this morning on Harpoon. Let's look at the graph. There'll be no action here until the bell goes, which we've now got just 13 minutes. Bitcoin is making a huge push at the moment. It's going to be 100,000 literally any day, really. Any day it could happen. It's going to happen by the end of the year. It's kind of like if Rivian wasn't coming out tomorrow, I'd put all my remaining money on it just to take it to 100,000, then strip it out again. That's really would be a good move. Because remember that when I trade with a underlying principle. I trade with my main investment, and then I put some trimmings on the top, which I keep removing. So I'll be in a stock like an asset, Bitcoin. As you see, I've got $7,000 there. But I don't want it to be any bigger because it's currently 15% of my portfolio, right? I don't want it to be any bigger because I want my money invested in other things as well. But what I might do is take $5,000, grow this up to 100,000, knowing I'm going to sell it, strip that back out again. So I can basically, add 30% to my investment. If I put 5,000 in that, turn it into 6, take it back out, and leave this where it was. So that kind of thing. Anyway, that's just my idea. Johnson & Johnson down slightly. I want to get out of this position if I can. Apple moving up. See, there's hardly any movement with these traditional stocks right now. They aren't exciting to watch. They're not exciting to watch at all. The Rivian IPO, I've got some news for you. The Rivian IPO, let me get to the whole screen up. Rivian IPO puts slow race to commercial EV to public market test. As you can see, this is going to be absolutely huge. Look how big it is. 11 years after Tesla went public with market value of less than $2 billion, one of the most closely watched competitors. Remember, it's got nothing to do with coming into the market being bigger. It's because no one cared about electric cars. I did. I've been shouting about it for like 20 years, but nobody was listening. Anyway, one of the most closely watched competitors is following in its tyre treads with a much richer valuation. We've got guys over on TikTok. Come and join us over on YouTube. YouTube is the place you need to be. You can't see nothing on TikTok, right? So come and see us on YouTube. It's almost time for your event. I've already done that. The event's already running. What's going on? Electric truck maker Rivian Automotive will price its initial public offering on Tuesday. Well, of course, that's now Wednesday. This is a little bit out of date. It will have its final price today. That's true. Seeking to raise as much as 10 billion in a listing that could give a fully diluted valuation of more than 70 billion if shares are sold at the top of their market range, which they will be. It'll be the 7th biggest US IPO on record, biggest in a decade, I believe. Data compiled by Bloomberg. Thank you, Bloomberg. Investors will be buying into the promise of a class of EVs that mirror the gas-powered vehicles. Don't say they mirror. I hate that. It's not about just getting a truck and then whacking a battery on it. If you think like that, you don't understand the electric market. It's got nothing to do with, no one wants to buy gas cars anymore. Some people do not have an open mind. This is why Elon Musk is doing so well, right? Because he makes other people look stupid. If you just think it's mirroring cars, let's get a car that's been around forever and replace the fuel tank with a battery. Brilliant. That's not what it's about. You have to have the whole production line built differently. It's about software, it's about technology, and it's about recycling those batteries, and the whole thing is a chain of events. It's not just about bolting bits together and sticking a battery on it. Investors will be buying into the promise of a class. Tesla's seeking sedans. The company also has Amazon. Yes, we know that. 20% stake. It's already placed an order of 100,000 of its delivery vans. We know that, but that's the initial order, by the way. Mirroring is an important term that will help normalize the market for EVs. We have to relate gas vehicles to EVs so stupid consumers will get on board. That's the quote of the day. That is the quote of the day, isn't it? Mirroring is an important term that will help normalize the market for EVs. We don't want normalizing, right? People need to wake up and look at what is happening in the world. Not what's happening in America, what's happening in the world. Trust me, right? I've toured 195 countries. The world is very different wherever you go. And America has a very, very limited idea. Do you know most Americans never leave America? And people feel if it's not happening in America, it's not happening. Well, it's not the case. The world is really about to change. And think of this as well. Think of this when you talk about growth potential. When Henry Ford released the Model T, and suddenly, I could buy a car. No one had a car, right? And then somebody had a car, and then somebody else had a car, and it grew, right? And that industry grew, and then suddenly more manufacturers and so on and so forth. Now, how many cars are there in the world? How many? Is it a billion, 2 billion? I don't know. Now, all of those cars and all of those people need a new car. Not instantly, but ultimately they all need a new car, right? So you haven't just got adding more cars to the system. You've got everybody now needs a new car, ultimately, because it's policy now around the world that gas cars are being phased out. You can't even buy one in England from 2025, I think it is. Can't even buy a new one. It's finished, done, end of story. So, at the end of the day, this is such huge potential. In fact, everything to do with the market. That's why I've got some shares in On. I made some money with On, the semiconductor company, right? That produced semiconductors. Lithium. I'm invested in lithium. All kind of different things. Anyway, yes, but Martin, people are dumb. Most don't want radical change. That's why we have to wean them off petroleum, teach slowly. I love having Christopher here. He's a good addition to the community. Absolutely love it. Absolutely, I can't wait for all my army to join us. It's a little bit quiet. We used to have 30 we were getting up to 30, 40 people every day joining us. We're a little bit slow at the minute. It's going to take a little while for the algorithm to wake up and start sharing the video to more people. But nevertheless, also you can't really equate the emergence of the car to a change in how cars are manufactured. Once one was transformational, the other is just shift in engineering, although major. I don't know, Christopher, if I agree with you on that, because, again, I feel the car is not just going to be a car. I feel that you'll get into your car, you will speak to your car and say, take me to my work, and you won't even drive it. And while you're being shifted along the road, and there are parts of London that will charge your car as you drive, by the way. That's another thing that's happening, charging while you drive. There's ways to charge through the car. And you will be doing work, and the car won't be a car. The car will be software, technology, a computer, a place away from the office, the home, whatever, to do business, to socialize, what have you. And it will be a simple form of transferring you from one location to another. Yes, that will be the case, but it will be more than just a car. So if you're thinking like that, that radical, then the potentials are through the roof. You can say that. I'm a pain in the arse. It's okay. I accept it. I love Chris. Christopher was my best engager today. I absolutely love it. We should give him a prize. I don't know. Right, we got 3 minutes to go before the bell goes, and we've got Musanella. Good morning, fellow traders. I like the. How did you manage to? How did you manage to use a fancy font like that in the live chat? I don't even know how that's possible, but nevertheless, it's impressive. How do you do that? Could you change the font in? I don't know how you do that. Anyway, Virgin Galactic last night. Listen, guys, it's called text art. Text art? Never heard of it. There you go. Learned something here today. Right. Virgin Galactic. This is what happened last night. Virgin Galactic sells 100 tickets to space at higher price after reopening sales. Guys, this is. Let me tell you why this is so great, right? As everyone clicks subscribe and ring the bell, we've got people watching over there on TikTok. You can't see anything. Come over to YouTube. The link's in the profile. Click the profile again, and you'll be right with me. You can't see anything on TikTok. Waste of time. It's only the place I meet you to come to YouTube. All right. Let me tell you why Virgin Galactic is going to be massive, right? Who doesn't want to go into space? We all want to have exciting experiences and do this and that and the other, and we all want to do things that are great, right? But Elon Musk is not going to be doing space passengers. Forget it, because it's millions of dollars to fly into space using SpaceX, right? It's not going to happen, because you and I are not going to. I mean, they asked what's his name, Tom Hanks, if he would pay, like, I think it was 27 million to go into space. He went, forget it, right? People want to go up and down in a day at experience. Lots of people can afford $400,000. Millions of people can afford that. It's a really, 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 really good lifetime holiday, right? The best channel ever. Yes, look at all this. Look at all this amazing. Look at all this amazing text coming in. These fancy people doing. Good morning, Alexander. Would everyone welcome Alexander? I think he's new to the channel. Click subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up, Alex. I think you're new. Everybody will tell you where they're from, and we're a community here, making money, supporting each other. So everyone's going to go on Virgin. Why? Nobody wants to land in the desert with Jeff Bezos on a parachute. How un-first class is that? If you're going on a first class holiday and you're paying a lot of money, land in a parachute and bump in the desert? No. You want to go up in a 5-class plane, go into space, have a wave out the window, float around, and come down and land on an airport and go and get a cup of coffee, a glass of champagne. That's what you want. That's why Virgin Galactic is going to be fantastic, and it's only 400,000. People do not look at it, and there it is. I tell you, there's no good news other than the fact people are buying tickets and the price is going up. Love it. Right, we got 15 seconds for the bell. Are you ready? Are you ready to rumble? Another day of excitement on the markets. Let's go live, and here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're off to the races once again, and very, very exciting. Okay, there's the drop. We always get some excitement the first couple of seconds. It means absolutely soddle. Don't worry about that. There we go. Straight back up again. 57,129. Here we go. It's great, exciting. We're here. We're making money. We're having a good time. And see the future for what it is, not what you want it to be, right? What you want it to be is a waste of bloody time. Just believe and see. Look what's happening here. So Virgin Galactic, right? You can book a place for $400,000. In fact, they've just raised the ticket price. They've raised the ticket price, and people have already bought 100 tickets. The potential in this is ridiculous. I would go. I'm telling you now. By the end of the year, my portfolio should be 100,000, right? By the end of next year, my portfolio should be 200,000, something like that. And maybe in another 5 years, we'll have this up to maybe $1 million. Would I spend 400,000? If I've only got $1 million in the bank, would I spend half of it to go into space? The answer is yes. I don't have a mortgage. I don't have a car loan. I'm perfectly happy. If I've got $1 million in the bank, that's going to pay the bills, isn't it? Let's take half of that and let's go up into space. And the ticket price will get cheaper by the time I can afford it. I want to go up, I want to wave out the window, and I want to see what's going on. and that's what I want to do. There you go. Fan-flipping-tastic. All right, Christopher. But then it won't be 400. That's the best part. Yes, indeed. That is the best part. It won't be 400,000. Me and Christopher are going on Virgin Galactic, everybody. Should we get a pair of... I tell you what we'll do. We'll buy... a day trader package. We'll get everybody, because when we look at Hood, hang on, I need to go and look at Hood, because when this hits 48, which it will, when this hits 48, bit of selling going off this morning, good. I might be able to buy some cheap Robinhood. Hang on, let's have a look. Where's my Robinhood? Right, let's have a look. Back into the chart, trade it. Okay, we're down. It's not cheap enough yet for me to buy it. But when this goes to 48, which it will when the wallets come out, right? Muzanella is going to buy us all Martyn Lucas day trader mug, and then we're all going to go on a Virgin Galactic trip together with our mugs, and then we're going to make our channel go through the roof. Has everybody smashed the like button? We got loads of people. What's my thoughts on Travis Ritual? I've never heard of Travis Ritual. I'm sorry, I don't know what it is. Thoughts on ARRR? I don't invest in it. I'm sorry. Join us on YouTube and you can talk to my team and ask all my traders. If you're 90% of TikTokers are looking for naked ladies, right? Shaking their bums about. If you're one of the 90%, that's what you stay where you are. If you're one of the 10% that want to talk to traders, make money, be part of a family and a community, the most honest, real financial YouTube channel on YouTube, come and join us. If you're watching us on Facebook, Twitter, I've got people now watching me on Twitter, by the way, and it's great. And LinkedIn as well, got all that going on. And later on, what do you reckon, Chris? Should we put it on live stream at Cafe as well? Might be quite cool, right? Right, let's have a look. So we're just dropping a little bit. That's what's dropping? What's making my stocks drop this morning? Let's have a look. It's Tesla's just moved slightly, but nothing really much. All right, Virgin Galactic now. Now, this will bounce back in a minute. My prediction, if you watch this, I think this will bounce back in a minute. There's some profit taking going on. See if I'm right. Look at Virgin Galactic for a minute and see if in a minute it starts to pop back. I've got 544 shares of it, as you can see, and it's currently 20% of my portfolio. I think it's going to bounce back in a second. Robinhood, we'll keep an eye on it. Lucid dropped back. Yeah, that's profit taking as well, because we got as high as 35% earlier. Right, okay, we're having a bit of a sell-off right now. Everyone's selling down. People like taking profits. That's nothing wrong with that. Just got to buy back in again. I didn't make enough for me to do it. Google's up nicely. One day I'll have a whole share of Google. PayPal in all kinds of trouble, down 30% now. I'm glad I've only got one share of that. Graphics card is 11th liked. All of these celebrity flights are normalizing space flight for everyone. They are. They absolutely are. Peter Brazier is here. I took profits on CRO recently and it went higher. Oh dear. CRO. Shall we have a look at CRO? CRO. Is that Crocs? I love Crocs. Of Crocs. Oh, look at this. I didn't even realise. I love Crocs. Crocs are great. Wow, they've got a good... wow. Crocs engage in design, development, manufacture, worldwide marketing, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I love Crocs. They are great. These are the shoes of the future. I didn't know about Crocs. Was a public company. What have they done in a year? Past 3 months. I like that. I like them. Can I make any money with this? Up 85. We're getting a bit of a push this morning, are we? I'm going to add that to my list. I might invest in Crocs because I think they're great. Remember, always invest in things you actually like. Don't just invest in things that make you money. Invest in things that you like. Because if you like them, your mindset's right. You're happy, you relax, you don't sell out when it drops. You know what to do. You might actually be able to pull a lucky shot with Croc stock one day. You might actually be able to pull a lucky shot with Croc stock one day. Should we have some fun? I'll set a marker in the ground. All right, I'll buy a share. 1. Review order. Buy. Done. Right, I just bought a share of Croc. Hope it's not a crock of Right, okay. Let's have a look at it. There you go. I bought a stock. Never worn them before. I love them. I love Crocs. They're great. There we go. I've made 3 cents so far. I just bought 1 share. I set down a marker, learn how the stock operates, recognize the pattern, see how it's all going. Thoughts about XRP? I just joined. Hello, welcome. If you want to be part of my serious traders, not 90% scrolling through for naked ladies, come into my YouTube. Because there you can see my trading screens, okay? If you click the profile link just here and click it again, my YouTube link's right on the main profile. And Firasco81, I'd love to know where you're from. And Wang Wang, is it Wag Wang? Is that right? Come on to YouTube and join us. You can talk to my team. Right, I've just bought Crocs. We're watching it. There could be a bit of action today. Something's going on. It's got a bit of movement probably. It's in a slight dip probably. It's had some growth over the last 3 months. There's some potential there. It's got a great growth. But look at over the 5 years. It's done very, very well, and I don't see why that would stop doing it. Maybe you should put some naked lady graphics on the overlay to appease the 14-year-old TikTokers. Hey, I get a lot of YouTube fans from TikTok. I tell you that, because what happens is they watch now and they go back and watch the replays and then they subscribe. It's about 20 subscribers a day come from TikTok to my YouTube channel. It's really great. So even though TikTok are sitting there now, let me show you actually, because you're probably thinking, what do they actually see? This is actually what TikTok see. This is what TikTok see on the left-hand screen here. All they got is this. All they got is that. Doesn't look very good, does it? This is TikTok. Oh, there we go. All they get is that. But anyway, they get a great view of my head. But you know, what can I say about it? They do come over from time to time. Maybe you should. Yeah, I just read that, didn't I? And it's a delayed, and it is delayed, and it is delayed. It is slightly. Yes, it is. Of course, it is. Definitely needs naked ladies. Right, let's go back to it. We're looking at now. Tesla's dropped down slightly. We're down. I mean, I'm still up 30. I'm not buying any more. That's not a big enough dip for me. Let's have a look on the week. See how much money we've lost in a week. We're down 2%. No, nowhere near. Virgin Galactic. What did I say? I said it would pop up, and there it is. It's popping back up again. I think this is great. Robinhood. Is that going to continue to fall? We're down 1% now. No. Dr. Nathan Smith is in the house. Welcome to Dr. Nathan Smith, our celebrity internet sensation. Dr. Smith is here. Hey, Dr. Smith, actually, if you've got that link, because several of my... James McManus is here. Hello, James. How are you? Dr. Nathan Smith did a little bit on... He's very, very influential, right, in the medical world. And if you've got that link, or someone could find me that link of Dr. Nathan Smith, I shared it with everybody before. I want to share it again because we've got new people in here who have no idea what I'm talking about, all right? And I want to share it. So if anyone can find Dr. Nathan Smith or Doctor yourself could put it in the chat, I'll bring it up and share it with everybody. But I'd love to share that with everyone. If you're over on TikTok, click the profile twice and come onto YouTube. You're missing the whole show. If you're 90% of TikTokers looking for naked ladies, carry on scrolling. If you want to be part of the community and the family, come over to YouTube. You'll see my YouTube screens and the trading screens and talk to a great community. There's Robinhood. Look, we've got a bit of buying coming in now. Robinhood's just picking up slightly. Let's have a look at Space. SPCE, bit of a sell-off there, and now people buying back in again. How did you escape my PC? Clearly, graphics cards should be integrated in my CPU. That's very funny. I'll give you that one. Anyway, that's what we're doing. Getting sidetracked here. Right, so my portfolio is down on the hour. Let's look on the day. Just down slightly, right? A bit of movement this morning. You can't. It's not a straight line, is it? Not a straight line upwards. Let's go over to. Oh no, we'll do GE later. I mean, GE's got a split coming up. Here's the wind turbines I'm talking about.
Okay, so of course today's most random but interesting thing is going to have a little British flavor. No,
Thank
not
you very
vinegar
much.
on French fries or
British
ketchup flavored potato chips, but power flavor and a little history. Because with the UN Climate Summit continuing to go on in Scotland, and the U.S. talking about a potential looming energy shortage there and here, whatever.
I love it. He's already mentioned the British. This guy's good. I like him already. Brian's RBI. Gone with the Wind. History of the first ever wind turbine. Go on then.
It is important to know our history and our future. Because while the future may ride with the wind and the sun, wind power is actually nothing new. In fact, the very first wind turbine was built right here in the UK and in Scotland, to be exact, near where the UN Climate Summit is.
There we go. Innovation again. I tell you, if you want innovation, talk to an Englishman.
Look at that. And it was built in 87. No, not 1987, 1887. That's right.
Yes, Americans, did you hear that? 1887. Now we're talking dates. My actual village where I'm from in England is actually 2,000 years old, so put that in your pipe and smoke it.
Old James Blythe, son of an innkeeper who became a professor, hated fossil fuels. He found them dirty, disgusting, expensive, and dangerous. So he built a windmill attached to a small generator on his home's roof. It worked pretty well. Soon after...
See, what goes on in history always comes back. Always comes back. It's a bit like my house
he built
in England,
another
right?
one on top of a nearby
I've had this,
hospital.
hang on, let me pause that a minute. But my house in England, a bit like my clothes, right? A bit like my clothes, right? I'm never in fashion, but eventually I am. It just keeps rolling round. and I never change anything. I've got like the same kitchen in my house in England I've had for 20 years, and everyone goes, "You need a new kitchen." I go, "Why?" This will be fashionable again one day. Just because someone said it's not in fashion right now, what's going on? And lo and behold, give it 5 years, and I've got the coolest kitchen again. So anyway, wind turbines coming back in fashion. Of course they are. Robinhood now picking up. Thought that was going to happen. What about space? We had a little pump. There we go. We had a little pump and then drop back. So people are taking profits at the minute. But that's okay. Robinhood's picking up. Lucid is picking up. Right. It looks like we've got Dr. Nathan Smith's, do this now. Opening a new tab. I'm going to bring this in to the show a minute. Let me just go over to Tesla's having a bit of a sell-off right now. Let me look at that. Let me bring that in. And I've got Dr. Nathan Smith's wonderful story I want to share with you all. This is great. You're going to like this because we've got a celebrity in our house, in our family. Joins us nearly every day. Where will that fit? I'll just fit in there, right. Here we go. This is our very own Dr. Nathan Smith, and I thank you very, very much for sharing it with us this morning. I absolutely love it. Here we go. So here it is. This is our doctor in the house right now, and Dr. Nathan Smith receives 600,000 DoD ARO grant to study the role of glial cells in neural excitability and cognition. I hope I got all that right. In pursuit of the in his pursuit to understand the function of neural circuits within the brain. See, we're talking serious stuff here, and there he is. This is Dr. Nathan Smith. He joins us every day on the show, and absolutely great. Thank you ever so much for sharing that. And the links in the chat. If anybody wants to go and study it more, please feel free. He's a great guy, and we've done a lot of trades together, me and Dr. Nathan Smith. And didn't we start out with what was it? Was it yes or no or something with a one word? Forget what it was now. I know we did Robinhood together, but there was something else we bought right at the very beginning. In the first week I was trading. No mugs. It hits 48. No mugs. It's got to hit to 48. Dr. Smith, I should say, excellent job. Bill, did we get the mugs yesterday? No, not yet. It's Mr. Stecco has joined us as well. So there we go. This is Dr. Nathan Smith, and I encourage anyone to check out this video. This information. It's in the chat, and be a part of that. Absolutely great. Thanks, Doctor, for sharing that. I appreciate it very much indeed. All right. My Crocs investment has made me $1.43. I bought one share. There we go. I told you Crocs is great. Crocs has got a bit of a pump. I tell you what I'll do. I'll see what happens with that one. I'll do a day trade. I'll make myself a cup of coffee. I'll make $5 and then I'll probably sell it. Or then again, I might not. No one else is giving me a cup of coffee, so I got to do something, and I right. Tesla's moving down slightly. Let's go and zoom in a little bit to that one and look on the chart as well. We're seeing a little bit of selling now with Tesla. It's not the big sell off everyone's talking about. Now you've got to hold on to that. Well, I do like Crocs. I'll be honest. We'll see what happens. But remember, it's about making money. It's not, the stock doesn't know you own it. Muzana's back. Now, I told you Virgin Galactic would pump again. Look at that. Robinhood's down today, down 1%. It's not cheap enough for me to buy any more. I only want to flutter with this one. Lucid's just taking some profits. Harpoon is down 3%. Oh, that's a bit of a shame. I was getting close to making money on that. But nevertheless. Anyway, who is investing tomorrow? We're looking at Crocs, a new investment this morning. Just took a little go on that one. Where is your store link? I'm going to release it in the afternoon show. I'm still working on the store. It'll be in the closing bell show. In between now and the closing bell, I've got to do my portfolio for Bill on Twitter, and I've got to get the shop out. As well as a thousand other things. Hey, look at this. Pumping up nicely now. Let's look on the day. Yeah, Tesla's down 4% today. Tesla's down 4%. I don't know. I'm not going to buy any more. Look, I want to keep my powder dry because tomorrow's Rivian, right? I don't want to. This is exactly what Elon Musk wants me to do. Remember, always buy when everyone else sells and sell when everyone else is buying. Right? That's what you got to do. Elon Musk wants me to buy the dip. He's affecting the market. Everybody's going, oh, look, Elon Musk is going to sell out. He's not going to do it today. Having said that, he might, actually, thinking about it, because of Rivian tomorrow. Because I tell you what will happen now, if Elon Musk sold his shares right now, this would go down 30-40%. And if that happens, right, everyone's going to spend their Rivian money. I am ready for tomorrow Rivian. Yes. Dr. Smith, what's your... I hope I get the IPO price. I bet you do. I bet you do, you lucky so-and-so. I'm not in it at all. How much are you investing on the pre-IPO? How much are you investing on the pre-IPO? I'd like to know. I want to know your business. I want to know your private business. All right. Virgin Galactic, thank you very much indeed. Popping back up again. We knew it would. Robinhood is waiting for the what do you call it? The wallets to come out. Still no news. Still no news on the wallets. But we're waiting for it. We're waiting for that news any minute. And Virgin Galactic's now picking up. Great news yesterday for those of you who just joined us. I saw Fizzy. Fizzy just joined. Hello, hello, hello. Has everybody smashed the like button? Yes, you better have. Look at this. Virgin Galactic now have sold 100 tickets at the higher price. This shows you. See, what do you want to do? Do you want to pay many millions and go and... Now, I'm a SpaceX fan. Don't get me wrong. But SpaceX is about going to Mars. It's about a multi-planetary existence and all that stuff. It's about putting satellites up in there, global internet, so on and so forth. 15 likes. Fantastic. We've now got the average that we had last season, season 1. So on day 2, to get it, I'm over the moon. Yes, I finally, finally Virgin, haha, glad I kept my pennies in. Yeah, absolutely. Told you, because you're not going to go on Virgin, you're not going to go on SpaceX. Everybody on TikTok, click the profile link twice, see my YouTube link and come into YouTube. That's where my trading screens are, that's where my team is, that's where you can see what we're doing. TikTok, you can't see anything. 90% of TikTokers are looking for naked ladies, 10% want to trade. If you're one of the 10%, that want to be serious, be part of a family, make money, then click the profile link. We don't sell you anything. We don't promote anything. We just support and educate each other. My portfolio has grown from 5,000 to 56 now, all on this show in front of you live. Kiwizaga of New Zealand is back. Hey, great to see you again, mate. Everybody welcome this guy. This guy's great. He's from New Zealand, everybody. Everybody put your names of the cities or countries you're in, because our mate here, Kusaga, Kiwisgar of New Zealand is back in the house. Like, sorry, I couldn't pronounce that. You're not going to go up on SpaceX. You're not going to go up with Amazon's giant dildo, right? Because why? Because it lands in the desert on a parachute. Who wants to pay millions of dollars to land in the desert on a parachute? You want to go up on a plane like this, right? And this is $400,000, and the price is going to come down. This is what it's about. This is going to be huge. So, have I got shares in it? Yes. Why is the shares dropped? Because they simply put out the fact that they're delaying the flights. No problem at all. Of course they're delaying the flights. They're improving the ship. They're making it so it can do a quicker turnaround. But people get all anxious. They want to go, well, I want to make money now. Well, You can't. We're still building it. But it works, right? And Virgin Galactic have lots of success with Richard Branson. He's a fine Englishman. He'll do good. He'll do good. I'll wait until it's actually orbital space, not out. Here we go. Here we go. Here's one of the doubters. Christopher Marantet is talking about, I'll wait when it's actual space, right? It's space, right? Space goes on for billions and trillions and infinite amounts of foreverness, all right? Space is past the common line. Well, in fact, space is when you look out the window, you see the Earth and you're in the blackness, and you look back on the Earth. So it's not like a plane above the clouds. You're in the black, you're floating around, zero gravity, and you're looking back at the blue glow of the Earth, and you can see the whole planet. That, in my mind, is space. And to the customer, that's space. That's like Virgin Galactic will be the McDonald's of space. Now, I don't mean that's a bad thing, right? Everybody wants to get a McDonald's from time to time. Look how McDonald's is everywhere. Everybody's going to want to go up with Virgin Galactic, and as I'm talking about it, it's going up and up and up, and no one's paying any attention to me. Christopher's going, oh no, I'll wait till it goes into orbital space, blah, blah, blah. It's near space, it's just a part, yeah, it's just past the car. Yeah, it's past the common line. Look, no one cares about the number. Jeff Bezos and stuff trying to say, oh, it's not real space. It's space if you look out the window and it's black and you float around and you can see the Earth, not just clouds, right? It's space, and customers will buy it believing it's space. Oh, I love this. Oh, we've made some more money. Look, with Crocs. I told you it'll bounce up and down. It won't be a straight line up. Orbit is where it's at. Still got my Argo blockchain up today over 19 again. Argo blockchain, yeah, I sold. Did I keep my Argo blockchain? I think I might have just sold the last one, or I might have kept it as a marker. Argo blockchain, just buy the real thing. Just buy the Bitcoin. Here we go. Have I still got one? No, I sold it. I thought sod it. Oh, hang on. That's not it. Argo blockchain. This is it. Have I still got one? Yes, I've got one share. I kept one share. I wanted to be in the crowd because everyone was telling me off. Hey, I'm using SoFi to get Rivian IPO price. Oh, right. Yeah, Dr. Smith, I don't want it because I keep everything together for you guys to watch on Robinhood. If I can't buy it on Robinhood, I'll wait. It's okay. It's okay. I'll wait. If it's not on Robinhood, I'll wait. Marco Conti is here. Rivian. Marco Conti. We got a new member. Someone just joined us. Marco Conti, where are you from? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. We've got lots going on here tomorrow. Of course, it's Rivian. But welcome to the family. Where you're from. We got a new member, everybody. Let's ask him to subscribe and ring the bell and welcoming him to the party. My name is Martyn Lucas, the day trader. How are you? We don't sell you anything here. We don't influence anything here. We don't have silly training programs where you sign up or promote certain coins. What we do is we are an army of traders who are all here together supporting each other. And what we're doing is learning from each other. My actual portfolio, you can actually see, this is my real portfolio. And I've grown this from $5,000 live on the show up to this, and now I don't put any money in at all. I just grow it from itself. Okay, so there we go. And if you look at it, we're now up. This is my real portfolio. Oh, it's dropped today. I've lost some money today. Look at that. I was over 11,000. Yeah, I was up to 57, wasn't I? Down a couple of grand today. And anyway, that's by the by. Waiting for the Rivian. Yes, Rivian IPO tomorrow. And we've been talking about it. And it's going to be the biggest IPO ever. But Rivian itself, and most people don't understand their own market. It's got nothing to do with the trucks. Nothing to do with the trucks. For them to match their market cap, they need to be global. And the global market is the Amazon delivery vans. No one cares less outside of America about the trucks. No one cares. I've toured 195 countries, so I know what I'm talking about. No one cares about the trucks. They do all care about the Amazon vans. That's where the real money is. So this could be a Tesla or Amazon type situation. Let's look at space a minute. We've just had some more buying coming in. If I take you over to the chart, there you can see a bit of volume coming in now. This is good. This is going to hover around here. This isn't going to make any money for me until probably January, and that's absolutely fine because the upside of this will way outside the growth potential I have now left in Tesla and left in what will be Rivian tomorrow. This will be $100, $200 stock. I'm absolutely sure of that within 12 months. So I'm staying in. I've been buying and selling along the way. So pretty much all these shares now are free to me. Pretty much all of them are free. Let's go back to the Rivian IPO coming up tomorrow. Let me have a quick look at this. Yeah, this is what we're saying about Rivian. So let's go back over to it a minute. And let's have a listen in. Here we go.
100,000 electric delivery vans that they're in the process of working on those. Some of those are already delivered to Amazon. Many believe that order is going to grow substantially in the years to come. And remember, Amazon doubled down on its Rivian investment. They're not going to cash out and walk away. They look at Rivian as a way to continue to grow when it comes to autonomous vehicles in the future, electric vehicles. Watch this IPO when it happens tomorrow, guys.
But what will happen tomorrow, though, guys, I'm absolutely confident what will happen tomorrow. You will pay a premium for it. Be prepared. Are you prepared to pay a premium tomorrow for it? I am. If you can't get the pre-IPO, and I know Dr. Nathan Smith says you still can through SoFi, but my whole thing, my growth and everything is this community here supporting all of you and you supporting me. So I do everything through one platform, Robinhood, not because Robinhood is the best in the world. I like it. I think it's great, but I can present it in the best, cleanest way for you. So that's my focus. I'm not going to buy a stock from somewhere else and confuse my portfolio and confuse everything. The story wouldn't be clean and tidy anymore. It'd be messy. So all my fans over there on TikTok, got an army on TikTok right now. Lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much indeed. If you're on TikTok, come into YouTube. That's the place. If you click the profile link just here, you'll see my YouTube link. 90% of TikTokers are just looking for naked ladies. If you want to talk to my traders, and we've got some serious traders, and see all my trading screens and what's going on, join us on YouTube. The link is in the profile, and that's the very, very best way. Click the link here, click it again, and you'll be live with me in the YouTube show. All right, that's the very, very best place to look at it. All right, let's go over to the app and see where we are right now. As you can see, I'm down $1,300 today, down 2%. That's a lot to do with Tesla's dropping a bit. As you can see on the live there, it's down in the last hour. It's down 3%, but I'm not concerned about it. Virgin Galactic's holding its position. Has Croc made me any money? Just dropped back a little bit. Just having some fun with Crocs. Quite fancy the idea. Let's go over now to the trading screen a little bit and let's have a look. We've got Cleveland. Marco is from Cleveland. All right. Now, would my family please introduce themselves to Marco? Marco's from Cleveland. Marco, do you use Robinhood? If you don't, would you like to get a free stock from me? I've got a link you can use, and if you use it, we both get a free stock, and then I'll share with you what I've got. If anybody here doesn't have Robinhood, that's in the US, that would like a free stock from Robinhood, tell me now. I'll give you the link, and we'll all be. In fact, I'll give it you anyway. Let me put it in the live chat right now. Here we go. Robinhood, the IPO tomorrow, we're going to cover it live here on the show, of course, as we cover everything that goes on. Right, there we go. There is the Robinhood. If you want more information and talk to our technical analysis as well, Kenneth Brunk does a lot of work on the Facebook page and group. I'm going to share that with you as well. There we go. And here is the group. We also have a Twitter account as well, and we have some great content shared by fellow traders on my Twitter account, if you like that. So there we go. Let's share that with you right now. Malta. Alexander is from Malta. Well, welcome. Just do a bit of research into the different platforms and find the one that works for you. Spend the time doing research. There's a good honest comment. Thank you very much indeed, James. Spend time doing research on your investments and don't necessarily invest in what people are pumping on social media. Absolutely right. Do your own research. That's what we're doing here. We're learning from each other. Right. Okay. I'm going to trade Tesla down 7%. Okay. Let me buy a share of Tesla. That is down 7%. I'm going to buy one share. One. Buy. Review order. Down 8%. Nearly. Yeah, I'll buy that. Buy. Done. I've just bought a share of Tesla live. Did you see that? Don't give in, Martin. Never give in, mate. Let's refresh the screen. There we go. Just bought a share of Tesla. It's down 7% today. I'm very happy with that. There we go. And it's going up again. There we go. Thank you very much. What I might actually do is that one share, I might sell that share back out in a minute. That'll give me free stock. I'm not going to play Elon Musk's game at all. But what I will do is probably sell that one share in a minute and then have it for tomorrow. Let's have a look. Let's have a look on the chart. There we go. You can see it coming in now. So see that little green there? That little green there, that's me. That's when I just influence the market. See, I have millions of subscribers on YouTube and I influence the market. When I buy a stock, you see it, the candle goes green. And if anyone is not completely sure if I'm joking or not, I'm completely joking, right? I have no influence on anything. I will have influence when this channel has 1 million subscribers, which I'm sure it will, because the support that you give me and the love that comes in, and I believe that people want an honest channel. They don't want Graham Stepan and Andre Cech and Meet Kevin. They're all there to influence the market to make themselves rich, and they do it all the time, and good luck to them. They always try to sell you coins and influence the market and get you to sign up to their training programs. It's my income is you being here with me. That's what I love. Right, let's go back to the trading screen. Let's see if I can make some money on this position, right? I just bought in a share. What did I pay for it? Let's look in my history. What did I pay? I just bought one share at 1076. 1076. There we go. There we go. I just bought one share at 1076. Should I sell that one share? I just bought one share at 1076. So I've just made myself 15 bucks. All right. I could sell that share, couldn't I? I'll watch it because I'd like that money in my portfolio. I've got $4,000 left now. Yeah. But when Tesla does that, you got to act. Virgin Galactic is pumping. There we go. If we can get this to 30, which it could do, I would sell some stock and bring my portfolio size down very slightly. Robinhood is just not doing anything until they bring out the wallet. Lucid Group just down today 5%. Not going to buy any more Lucid. I have 138 shares of Lucid, and that's fine. How does that compare to my Tesla portfolio? My Tesla now is worth nearly 9,000. My Lucid is worth, yeah, that's about right. You should have more in Tesla than you have. Remember, it doesn't matter how many shares you have, it's how much money you put into it, right? It's the percentages. It's irrelevant because when they split the stock, it changes by 10 or whatever it can, right? Anyway, whatever. I just bought a little too. James just followed me and bought some Tesla. Good man. When you sell, do you pay any fees on Robinhood? No fees whatsoever. Have we got anybody here that's from the US that wants my Robinhood referral? Because you get a free stock. We both do. Cheers, James. Have a look at Whitbread PLC. Mr. Steckel is having a good conversation there right now. All right, let's go back over to there. Let's see if I can make some money. Yeah, it cost me nothing. Cost me absolutely nothing. If Tesla jumps up to 1,200 now, or I don't know, 1,200, something like that, I'll sell that one stock, that one share, and I'll make myself $100, $200, whatever. And it's all good. Let's keep our eye on that. Virgin Galactic, here we go. Shall we go over to the chart and see the volume that's coming in? There it is. Virgin Galactic pumping nicely now. Let's have a look on the app and let's see what Virgin is. Space. Let's look at what the volume is. 3 million. The average volume for Virgin is 10.6 million. Where am I getting that information from? I'll share it with you. All right. I don't think you can quite see it. It's slightly off the screen. There you go. Yeah, 10.6 million. This is the average from Virgin Galactic. And right now we've had 3.1. We've had 3.1, 3.2. And we've got a pump. We've got a big pump going on. We've got a lot of buying coming into Virgin Galactic right now. Just as I talked about it. Here we go. Nice. The news is obviously rattling around Twitter now. I can see it on Twitter. It's on Reddit. People are talking about the pre-sales. So this is an undervalued stock. What WTB? Oh, I see. I'm in a conversation with James. Good stuff. Good stuff. Right. This is great. This will affect my portfolio big time. If I go over to my overall position, there we go. It's starting to see it pump back up again now. Here we go. We're up 10,723. Good. Tesla. Maybe I can't get out. I can't buy another one. Otherwise, very, very quickly, I run out of buying power. All right. Tesla's up. Virgin now pumping. This is good. And this is why the news is getting around about this. Virgin Galactic sells 100 tickets to space at a higher price. This is the future of space travel. Not only this, then Virgin are going to bring out these super planes that can go around the world, like from New York to London in an hour or 2 hours, whatever it is, some ridiculous number. Right, let's get a position on everybody who won the day trade today. Right, go to your main portfolio. And tell me what you made on the day. I'm down 0.74. I reckon Musanella will be the winner. He normally is. What is everybody's position right now? I am down 0.65, but that's going to change very quickly because as soon as Tesla pops back up again, which it will, and Virgin Galactic is up 5%, so we are absolutely flying now with Virgin Galactic. Oh, and Lucid is picking up. Lucid will follow Virgin. Sorry, Lucid will follow Tesla. Harpoon. Bitcoin is dropping back a bit, but still like back 67, but we're just dropping back slightly. Johnson, can I finally make a position out of this? No, not yet. I'm still down $81. If I can get out of this, I will today. It's down on the week. It's up on the month. Johnson & Johnson, it's a waste of time. It's a great company, but it's a bit backward thinking. I took some profit on Bitcoin yesterday. Good for you. Very good. Always take profits. That's what we're doing it for, right? Not doing it just to have a giant portfolio. You're doing it to make profit. So at the end of the day, you make profits. You can take all your own money, put it back in the bank if you wanted to. Or what I do is reinvest it. There we go. I'm up now on the day. Peter Brazier is up 3.19. Did anybody beat Peter Brazier? I'm going to give you 10 seconds. Peter Brazier is the winner today. We've got 17 likes. We got 3 more than yesterday. Absolutely fantastic. If you watch me on TikTok, you're missing the... Oh, my favourite people are over there on TikTok. I love it. I'm getting the insults coming in. Hi, Yo Baldy, hello, how are you? I love the insults. The insults are great. Keep on coming. Hello, how are you doing? It's me, Liam Sankey. How are you, Liam? We're friends. It says we're friends. Let's see. Liam Sankey, how are you? Great, Liam. Hey, Liam, come and join us on YouTube. That's the best place to be, right? So the way you do that is you click the profile link. 90% of TikTokers are just scrolling through, right? But 10% of you actually want to make money, talk to my team, see my actual trade, see my actual growth, learn from each other. So what I'm asking you to do is, if you're interested, is click the profile here, click it again, and you'll see my YouTube link. Come and join us here on YouTube, and you'll see the trading screens, and you can be part of the actual the show itself. Be absolutely great if you could join us. All right, and you can see a lot more, get a lot more out of it. All right, so there we go. We're picking up now. So the winner is 3.19, Peter Brazier. I'm going to give that to you. Congratulations, Peter Brazier. You are our day trader of the morning. Remember, we do the competition for the day. This is just the morning, but congratulations to you. There you go. Peter Brazier is up 3.19. Good for you, mate. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, indeed. Whoopity whoop. Virgin Galactic just dropping back a bit at 6% now. Just touched 6% for a moment there. $21. Hey, this is great. Demon Slayer, Fan 65. Hello, guys. How are you? We've got a new member. Demon Slayer. Where you from, Demon Slayer? Are you from TikTok? Are you one of those guys who come in from TikTok? That's where all my audience come from. And we love TikTok. You can't see nothing on TikTok, but they all come to YouTube, and then we get a greater audience. It's me, Liam Sankey. There he is. Liam Sankey is one of my friends on the Martyn Lucas show, the music show. That's right, isn't it? And Liam's here. Great. Ali Osman, I changed my name. Thanks, mate. Subscribe and ring the bell to the Day Trader and give us a thumbs up. And we're live here every morning, every evening. This is my real trades, my real money that I'm sharing with all of you. And we've got some huge volume. And when I say huge, look at the volume here with space. Virgin Galactic, we're seeing a big pump right now. People are buying in. They realize the stock is undervalued. They realize this wipes the floor with Jeff Bezos. Who wants to land in the desert on a plane when you could do it this way, right? Virgin Galactic is where it's at. Get yourself into Virgin Galactic. Robinhood is still trading sideways. Lucid is now starting to pick up a little bit, but we are way up on the stock anyway. Tesla has made a slight recovery. I bought a stock this morning in the dip. What did I pay for that this morning? I bought one that I'm gonna trade with you right now. 1076. There we go. I've just made $20 on that one stock. On that one share. I will sell that one share because I want to put the money back into my buying power for tomorrow for the Rivian IPO. Of course, I want to load up on Rivian tomorrow. I don't care if it opens up and it pops. Don't care. Still going to buy it. I don't care because it's not the price I invest in. It's the value I invest in, the forward thinking, even though they don't get it, even though Rivian thinks it's a truck manufacturer, it doesn't understand its future because it lives in America and it thinks everybody wants a truck. In Texas they might, but they don't want it the rest of the world. They want Amazon delivery vans. That's what they want. That's what I'm investing in. So tomorrow it'll probably pop at $100. And I'm not on the pre-IPO. We hope tomorrow morning, Dr. Nathan Smith, we're all going to focus on you, sir, because you have got a pre-IPO preliminary order, and we're going to follow you, and we want you to tell us, because you will know before anybody else, if you get it, what the price is, and you can tell us and keep us informed. And if you wanted to, we can set up a video link, and you can call in, and we can have you live on the show and watch your position. And then then you could be following it for us, because we can't see that if you do get the pre-IPO price. And then when it opens, it'll probably be 100, 110. I'll buy it. I don't care. I'll buy it. It'll dip. It'll fly all over the place. But long term, it'll be like an Amazon. It'll be $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 share. In time, so I don't care really what I pay for it. I couldn't care less, because it's not the price I'm investing in. It's the value I'm investing in, where it's going, not where it is. Couldn't care less. So, Crocs, bit of fun today with that, right? Let's continue looking at the chart for SPCE. Just a bit of selling. There's bound to be, right? People, when you get a pump like that, why not sell something, right? And there we go, a bit more coming into Tesla. That's a Tesla chart right now. Very, very, very nice. Watching that closely. SPCE. Let's go back over to the main trading screen, see what I'm going to do. I'm not going to sell it yet. It's not made enough money yet. 20 likes now. Fantastic, everybody. This is great. Channel is on fire. Remember, this channel is only 10 weeks old today. We were 9 weeks old before we took a month off. And we've gone from 0 subscribers to 1,630 in just our 10th week. Amazing. I've had an invitation from someone. Host invites you to go live together. I have no idea what that is. On TikTok, somebody wanted me to go live with them. No idea. Right, let's go over to the app. Look at this. Virgin Galactic is now up. Great. It's pumping again. Love the way it looks on the app, by the way. And if we got anybody today celebrating a birthday, or knows anybody that's celebrating a birthday, it's that part of the show. See my studio behind me? I'm the World Piano Man, and I do live concerts every day at 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. And this part of the show, if anyone's got a birthday, knows anyone they love or care about that would like their own happy birthday song, all right, tell me now, and I will go to the piano, and I will do happy birthday, or maybe someone's got something special they want to celebrate, for someone they know or care about or love or what have you. Tell me. And it's your opportunity, and then you can share that video with everyone. You'll have your own video of your own birthday, whatever, or it could be a family member, a friend, whatever. Let me know, and I'll do it for you live right now on the show. Right, let me look at my portfolio, and we are now... My buying power is shrinking to 4,000. Got to be careful. What's Tesla doing? Tesla recovered, but not much. Virgin Galactic, great. Robinhood, it'll be trading sideways. Yes, it is. Lucid. Let's look at my overall portfolio, and let's have a scroll down. Let's share with everybody. This is my portfolio. Right. Johnson & Johnson, Tesla, Apple. Let's see if we've got any big movers here today. This is my actual live portfolio right now. Coke, Disney, VTI, Google. Let's have a look at Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce up 50% now. Let's have a closer look at Rolls-Royce, because, of course, the flights are now coming in. Taking off again. Rolls-Royce up 5% today. Nice. I'm up 50% now on that one. That's going to be great. I'm leaving that for a while. Nobody got a birthday. Nobody got anything they want to celebrate. Leah, can I have a cup of tea, please? But could I also have, you know, those anti-congestion nasal things. You know, the ones you put under your tongue and let... Yeah. Since the weather changed, I've been getting like, what do you call it, sinus and stuff like that. And gets difficult sometimes. Does anybody else get that? Right, in the live chat... Oh, there we go. Here they are. Here's my magic tablets. They're like little magic tablets. You put them under your tongue, right? And they dissolve. They're little things like this. Look. Apparently, it's good for your nose or something like that. Well, I have one there. And one there like that. Oh, dear. I've got a bunged up nose this morning. Right, there we go. Oh, look at Virgin. Get in, get in. Look at this. I'm now just 5% down. I've been buying all the dips. I've been buying it down and down and down and down and down. God, I mean, seriously. Got 11.5 grand in it now. How was your break? Very good, thank you. And it's wonderful to be back with you all. It really, really is. And I can't say how wonderful this is. But what we're doing today, excuse me, that's it. I've got the tablet down now. I'm good. Oh, Marvel fan. We've got another one of my friends over there on TikTok. How are you? If you're one of my friends, and I see you are, Marvel, you're missing out on the show. You need to be in YouTube. Click the profile link just here. Click the profile again, and you'll find my YouTube channel. And that's where all my friends come from TikTok into YouTube. That's where they all are. Because you can see the trading screens and you're part of what's actually going on. You can't see nothing on TikTok. TikTok only allows me to broadcast my phone, which means I can't share my trading screens and you can't talk to my traders and see my real money and what's going on. And we're all getting prepared for the biggest IPO in a decade. Tomorrow, of course, it's Rivian. So we're making money today to put into my buying power. My buying power now is $4,000. I've just bought a Tesla on the dip and plan on selling it again when it pops back up again. Space is pumping 6%. I'm not going to sell this, of course, at all at the moment. It's way undervalued. And I'm very, very happy with 20% stake in that anyway. I'm just going to watch the profit grow. That's all I'm going to do with that one. Lucid's now picking up. Harpoon is sitting flat. Bitcoin is now 67,000, 100,000 by the end of the year. Johnson Johnson dropped back again. I'm trying to get out of it. Apple's made me some money. I've got one stock in that right now. I've sold out of all of that. It's not doing enough for me. Not doing nothing. Waste of time. Let's go back over to Space's chart for the minute. If any of these stocks I'm looking at you want me to go into more detail, please do let me know. If you want to ask me anything about Rivian, please feel free to ask me. Oh, there we go. We've got Space pumping again. Here we go. And if we go over to the chart, you will see it coming in and the trade. Here we go, look. It's up near 7% now. Break 7%. Here it goes. There it is. It's up it goes. Down just $600 now. Market value of 11.5 grand. Oh, this is nice. Very, very exciting. Virgin Galactic is taking off. There will be profit taking. I'm not even concerned if it drops back again. It's not a concern. What all this is doing is educating me that this is going to be the thing of the future in January, February next year when the flights start happening. That's what this is all about. And it's all on the back of this news here. This news here is Virgin Galactic raises ticket prices after reopening sales. That's what it's all about. Here's my tea, by the way. Thank you very much. Oh, up 7% now. Fantastic. This is awesome. If you've just joined the show, you're watching on the replay, of course, you can rewind these videos. Please click subscribe and ring the bell. That's so, so important. We're live every morning for the opening and closing bell. But everyone, give us a thumbs up. If you're over there on TikTok, why are you on TikTok? You're not serious traders and you don't want to make money? Why are you on TikTok? You need to come and join me on YouTube. Click the profile link twice and you'll see my YouTube link. Come on and join in. All right. Virgin Galactic, this is fantastic. We're loving it. Did I make any money on my Crocs investment? Yeah, nothing really. Graphics card is my 20th like. Absolutely great. Love it. Right. By the way, in case you're interested, we have a huge audience because it's not just on YouTube. We're actually, of course, on about 20 platforms, including Twitter and Facebook and TikTok and Twitch and, I don't know, we're everywhere. All over the place. Rolls-Royce continuing to grow. That's good. Tesla just bouncing around. Virgin Galactic. The big news is Virgin Galactic, everybody. I've never been in the profit with this because I bought and then we diluted the stock. Remember they sold, was it 600 million shares? Something like that to raise capital. That happened. And then they delayed the flights. That happened. None of that is bad news. That's all good. Delaying flights because you're improving the spaceship. Muzanella, are you down 13%? 1381. Muzanella, tell me that you're not down 13%. Robinhood is down. Is that right? Muzanella, you're down 13%. Just clarify. Yeah. Oh, ouch, my friend. But you make so much money when you're up. That's the thing with Muzanella, right? He will take huge profits, and then likewise, he can take huge losses. But overall, it all works out. Thanks for sharing. I trade very different than Muzanella. I don't do options. I don't do leverage. I get excited when I make $1. You know I do. I just made. I've got look right here now, 34 cents. I've made 34 cents there. You see it? I've made 34 cents. And I also bought Tesla this morning. Remember, if you've just joined my show, I started this portfolio from $5,000, and I've grown it to where it is today. All from $5,000. I took out money, put it back in again, and so on and so forth. And I now don't put any money in this. All right, I just grow this from itself. This is my story. You've seen it live on the show. You're following it. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an entertainer. I'm a musician, a singer, and this is what I do. And I see the world in a open way, and I don't try to look at things the way you're supposed to look at them. I imagine and be creative where the world is going. And this is my portfolio. This is what I'm doing. I just rearranged my positions but kept my position in Hood for the mugs. Yay! Get in! He's invested thousands and thousands of dollars in Robinhood, even though it's down, just because he wants to buy everybody a mug. See, that's the sort of guy he is. That's the sort of man that Muzanella is. All right, I love it. Remember, guys, everybody that was in the chat yesterday who gave their names. Oh, by the way, thank you for the email. I've got the email from John Brunette. And by the way, space is continuing to pump, by the way. Everyone gets a mug, one of the Martyn Lucas day trading mugs. We released the shop today in the afternoon show. And if Hood hits 48, and it's a long way to go, but I believe it could do it, then Muzanella, with his profits, is going to buy everybody a mug. That was in the show yesterday. That's great, right? Okay. Lucid, let's have a look. That's just down slightly. We're looking at Tesla. I want to sell that single share. I want to sell that single share that I just placed. Just one. When it pops back up again. We're keeping our eye on all of this. We're keeping our eye on space. What is Lucid? Lucid, all right, thanks for asking. Lucid, electric car company. This is my position. I've got $6,119. It's a car company that is phenomenally amazing. When I say that, it's got a huge amounts of backing and support and finances. Finances are great. It's brought out an amazing car. It's not like Tesla. It's a high-end car. Now, Tesla, you might say, well, that's a high-end car. This is like the Rolls-Royce of Tesla. It does 500 miles on a range. It's not designed to be a mass-market car at the moment, like Model 3 or the Model 2 that's coming down the line. This is more premier. So if you were a Ford driver and you now move to a Tesla, this is like the BMW, if you like. So it's a fantastic company. The car is amazing. The reviews are amazing. They've just released it. It's great. It's got everything going. It's got the same principles as Tesla. It's got some fellow Tesla workers working for them. It's got some Apple workers working for them. There is rumour that Apple are going to buy into it. So Lucid is a great investment. And I bought it in, sold it several times, repositioned several times. I'm currently up, as you can see, 26.82%. I've made $1,300 on it. Very, very happy with it. This could do $400 a share in 2-3 years. Very, very good. Love it. I'm in it. Let's have a look. And Space is now up nearly 7%. I'll buy them now and you send them out when Hood... Oh, yes. Do you hear that, everybody? Muzanella wants to buy everybody the mug, the Martyn Lucas Day Trader mug, right? Which it goes on sale later today. Okay. And you can send them out when Hood hits 48. What a legend! What a legend he is. He's just gonna go for it. He's gonna take a chance on it. Well, the way it will work then, Muzanella, right, is I'll place an order for I think it was like 16 people, something like that, and it will go directly to their addresses. That's the only way to do it. But we'll chat later then, Muzanella. Thank you ever so much for that. I tell you what, I think you have. I can't remember if you do or don't, but here's my cell phone. 646-591-3994. 646-591-3994. There's my cell. If you send me a text, Muzanella, I'll set all that up with you. What a great guy. Thank you ever so much indeed. Everyone's getting a free gift. Everyone's going to get a free day trader mug purchased by Muzanella, our biggest day trader, biggest investor here on the show. Is Christopher Marantet still here? Because me and Chris, we're going to make a signature tune. It's called Day Trader, based on the theme music of Day Tripper. And me and Christopher are going to make a signature tune. So we're going to record it together. I think Chris is going to play it on piano. We're going to link up together, record it, and it's going to be great. Who do I send a message to for the mug? Yes, he's here, right? Thanks, Muzanella, you're a gent. He is. He's a gent. I love it. Absolutely awesome. Absolutely awesome. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bloody hell. Are we talking about Merry Christmas? Oh, we're going to be doing... how much fun are we going to have on the show at Christmas? Oh, my God. It's going to be great. I tell you what, at Christmas, it's going to be great. The studio will all be Christmassy and, sitting here with a Christmas... Oh, my God. It'd be great, wouldn't it? Hi, I love Bitcoin market going down today at 62 and going to pump. Doda Cash, I think that is. Or I've got friends over there on TikTok. I can't really understand what you're saying. If you want to see what we're actually doing, see my actual Bitcoin, my actual trades, talk to traders, come into the YouTube. You can't see nothing on here. On YouTube, click the profile link just here. Click the link again, and my YouTube link's right there. Come on in. You see my actual real money, my real trades. Talk to real traders. Be great. Okay, you can't see any of that over on TikTok. All right. Great. Love it. What did I miss? Babs. Hello, Babs. What did I miss? You're missing everything. This is the place to be. Oh, dear me. What's going on? What do you want to know? There's so much going on. So much. We're making money with Virgin Galactic. The studio is looking awesome. Thank you, Mr. Stecco. It's great. I've done a lot of new stuff. Shall I show you the... here, watch. Give it a minute. See the little red light there, look? See that? When I press that, that's the haze machine coming on, all right? So keep watching that, and you will see in a few seconds' time what happens to the studio. It gets very, very exciting in here, all right? Anyway, back to the trades. Mr. Steckel said, the studio's looking awesome. Thank you. We're getting ready. Basically, what we're doing today, we're trading, we're repositioning for tomorrow's IPO of the biggest IPO in a decade, Rivian. But Rivian don't even know how big they're going to be because they're too bloody focused on their truck. It's got nothing to do with the truck. It's got everything to do with Amazon. Amazon have invested in them, and they want vans, and they want delivery vans all around the world, and they're going to buy them all from Rivian. Seriously, what an opportunity that is for Rivian. It's ridiculously good, and that's why Amazon own 20% of them. Anyway, this is the portfolio right now. All time. Let's go to the day. I am up right now. In fact, I'm down 0.26 on it right now. Let's look on the charts. We've got Tesla just got flat at the minute. We've got Virgin Galactic still pumping with some sales coming in. We can see that. If we go over to the trading screen, we'll see it right now. There's space. Just dropped back slightly, but still up 6.39. Over there on the app, we can see the haze is starting to come out, and we're starting to pump again. You are welcome, Mr. Steckel. Wow, did the Mr. Bentley walk, and you are still going. Wow, did the Mr. Bentley walk, and you are still going great. Mr. Bentley walk. You are. What does that mean? I've no idea what Mr. Bentley walk means. Maybe I missed something in the chat. I don't know. There's so much going on in the chat, I miss half of it. Okay. We are... my dog! Sorry! Yes, the dog! Wow. Wow. Yes, we're still here. Yes, we're still here. Mr. Ben, I forgot. If you new in the stream, please smash the like button. Oh, look at that. Thank you ever so much indeed. We got a great team. We've got a fantastic team. Smash the like button. You're absolutely right. We've got 20 likes now. Brand new channel, 10 weeks old this week. We're really doing well. Let's have a look now on the Virgin Galactic again on the app. Look at that. Right, there we go. There you go. See the haze coming out? We're getting ready. You said, Mr. Steckel said he liked the studio, so I wanted to show you the whole studio. There you go. The studio is now on fire. Talking about Tom Hanks refusing to pay Elon Musk's, Jeff Bezos' price. Do you remember that in Castaway? I make fire. Do you remember that? Oh, I forgot my cup of tea. By the way, if you've got a company and you want to sponsor the show, you can send me in a mug like this. And send me a bit of Bitcoin, and I'll. Oh, that's enough smoke now. Let's turn that off. Setting fire to the place. I forgot how much that was coming out then for a minute. And we're literally on fire today. Oh dear me. And yeah, if you want to promote something, send in a bit of merchandise like that. And I'll promote you. Dear me. Anyway. Kathy Wood bought more Robinhood today. Yes! Did she? Okay. Let's have a look at it. I can't see it on the chart there. Look at that. It doesn't really show up, does it? Or maybe that was the pump earlier. Let's have a look. Maybe that was that pump earlier. See that? I like when Kathy Wood does things. I don't always follow her, though. Oh, I texted you. Great. Let me just check my text. I won't share this on the screen. Don't worry. There we go, Sean. I got you. I got it. Yeah, there he is. Sean has officially announced he's ready to buy the mugs. Everyone yesterday who was in the Day Trader will get a mug. But there is one thing, right? It's a Christmas present for Muzanella. There is one catch, though, right? If you were in the show yesterday, you'll get a mug. So I will reach out to you and ask for your addresses, and you'll all be sent a mug. But what you need to do, though, there is one proviso, because you are getting a free mug, courtesy of Muzanella, is you need to take a picture of you holding it up, send it in, and then we'll put it on the show. We'll have a picture of you holding the mug, right? So, anyway, and there is another stipulation. You can only put tea in it. If anybody starts putting in whiskey... Oh, no, whiskey's fine. Whiskey's fine. But if anyone starts putting in iced tea, American iced tea will be falling out, right? Because my mugs are not made for iced tea. They're made for proper hot tea. Where can I get a mug? If later on in the show, if you join me later in the closing bell this afternoon, I will have the link for you. The shop will be open this afternoon. All right? And if you want to know... In fact, I'll give you the link for it. Upcoming live streams. I'll share that with you right now. Mr. Bentley, in your message. Bill sent in a picture of the dog. Right. Here is, I'm sure everyone knows how it works, but just in case you don't know how it works by now, here is the link in the chat for the afternoon show. All the shows are in the upcoming live, there it is. All the shows are in the upcoming live streams, all right? You can't miss it. Same time every day. All right. If you're on my channel right now, you're watching this show. Scroll down. Upcoming live streams. See it right there? Upcoming live streams. It's always there. Look, the next one in your time zone. Always there for you. Easy as that. Baby games. Wait, has Robinhood dropped down? Please add the new ones from today. Ah, okay. Okay, right. So if you are watching the show right now, Muzanella has extended the invitation for a free mug for everybody in today's show as well. So if you want to get your free mug, which has been purchased, it's not free at all, right? Muzanella has paid for it. If you want your free Martyn Lucas Day Trader mug sent to you free of charge, Christmas present from Muzanella, right? You need to be in YouTube right now, right? Everybody over there on TikTok, you've got to be in YouTube right now. We're giving away a prize, okay? So here in the live chat on YouTube and YouTube alone is my cell phone, 646-591, whoops. 3994. There's my cell phone. Text me your name, please, and your address where you'd like it posted to. Okay? So if you were in yesterday or today, whichever, just text me your name that you use on the show so I know it's graphics card or I know it's whoever it is. That's the name we can put on the delivery. Or add your real name as well. So for the mailman, the postman, right? And put your address. I need your address because I've got to post it to you. All right? Okay. Baby Game says, I can't. You can't? I will have to pay to text you. I will have to pay to text you? Oh. Okay. In that case then, you can email me. There we go. There we go. You can email me if you want. There's my email address. So we don't even need to pay for shipping. No, Muzanella's paying for everything. I know. How good is that? How good is it on the Day Trader? You get one of our star traders come on, and for a Christmas present, he buys everybody a mug. Absolutely. I emailed to you, okay. And I want a lot of love and thank yous to the great Muzanella, all right? And I'm not messing about. He's buying everybody a mug. Right, I've made 37 cents from Crocs right now. Bill was going to buy one. He's thinking, bloody hell, I was going to buy a mug. Moose and Anna's buying it. Brilliant. I was going to buy one. All right. So we get the mug for doing nothing. You get the mug for being here. You get the mug for being... I mean, if you want to do something, yes, you do. You've got to like share the video, tell all your friends that the Day Trader is the best show in the world. Yeah, you've got to do that. What, Dr. Nathan Smith? What do you agree with? You're saying you agree with me. What do you agree with? Virgin Galactic is up. Oh, we're making so much money with this. Well, I'm not making any money so far. I'm down $700 right now, but it doesn't matter. This was down 40%. I bought all the dips, right? So this is all good for me. I don't care. I'm perfectly fine with it. Lucid's moving up. I want to see Tesla pop. My portfolio is ready for tomorrow. We've now got $4,000. I'm hoping to sell. I want to know what Dr. Nathan Smith is agreeing with. He said, I agree with you. I have no idea what he's agreeing with. Any thoughts on Sunday sweep? No idea what that is. Luffy, hello. Johnny, boy, lots of people over there on TikTok. How are you doing? You're missing out on a free prize. You should have joined. Sorry, I got so much going on. Christopher Marantet just texted me and he went, hi Martin, it's Christopher Marantet. Like I don't know, we're friends, I've got his number in my phone. And he says, you don't have to send me a mug, I'm just saying hi. He doesn't even want a mug. What do you mean you don't want a mug? What do you mean you don't want a mug? You're getting a bloody mug. Moose Nana's buying you a mug and you're going to get one and drink out of it. Telling me you don't want a mug, I'm not having that. Here we go. Bill live on the show wants to send. Oops, let me. I don't want to share Bill's address. Sorry about that. This is Bill's dog. There we go. There's Bill's dog. Sorry, I just shared your address there, mate. I didn't mean to do that. Let me get off that a minute. There we go. Sorry about that. Do you take a screenshot? Oh, there it is. He took a screenshot. Bill's got a video of his dog here playing. Look at this. This is Bill's dog. He's out doing day trading. Look at that, look. And see the wheels? If you see the wheels, that's Bill's little mobility scooter. See that? That's Bill's mobility scooter. That's Bentley the dog. And while they're doing day trading, I think the dog needs to have like a day trader poster. He should be walking along with a day trader poster. Oh, brilliant! Thank you very much for that, Bill. Great. Okay, back over to TikTok. You're missing the party, guys. You really are. If you click, he reads the sun. He's not trading. He's trading. He's trading. Don't have a go at Bentley the dog. He's trading. There's lots of useful information in the sun. Page 3, you get all the information you need. Right. Hope he is using the Sun newspaper as toilet roll. Oh, dear me. Right, let's go back to SPCE. Virgin Galactic is now up. Yep. Very, very good. I want my Tesla to pop a little bit because I want to sell back that one share. That's what I want. The page 3 debacle. It is a debacle. You're absolutely right. Lunacy. Lunacy is what it is. Right, let's have a look. We've got some videos I want to share with you. Oh, I love all this. China. I love the way China always tries to make itself feel important. China's going to crack down. China's going to prevent stuff. Does China not understand that that the world is becoming free and developed, and China can't control everything. Anyway, talking about China controlling stuff, let's have a listen in to the latest control from China.
Things that struck me about sort of your take on what's happening is that the move to whatever you want to call it, what do we call it, common prosperity or whatever we've seen President Xi doing, that's important, but maybe not as important as ongoing competitive tension between the West and China, and the U.S. specifically in China. That's going to continue. And I couldn't help think about those mock-up aircraft carriers, and what the heck does that mean that they've built over there to sort of how to strategically deal with some of our aircraft carriers? I mean, this seems like it's getting kind of serious.
It's all a lot of flipping nonsense. China, it always trying to corrupt and control stuff. Let it do its thing. Who cares? It's irrelevant what they do. I think it was actually awful that China did not attend the COP meeting in Glasgow. I think that was flipping terrible. Russia didn't either. Russia and China didn't show up for that. But never mind. They can do what they want. Really, the rest of the world's doing the right thing.
No, I completely agree with you. I mean, we're in a full-fledged competition that's on the tech side and on the cyber side. In addition, this is happening when China is going through its own longer-term domestic policy change. And you have the Central Committee of the Communist Party meeting through this week, and they're really laying out some longer-term plans that go all the way through 2050. And part of that is really looking at greater financial stability, more affordable housing, reducing the inequities as well. And so taking a look at this crack tech down, I mean, there's 9 different components to it, which include data privacy. It also includes greater competition, having more competition within the ecosystems. And I don't think the market has completely priced this in now. I mean, we are still underway.
What do you think? Christopher's just said, did you see Christopher's comment? Let me bring it up. What do you think about this? Or we'll just keep our eye on Virgin Galactic exploding again. Christopher said, China doesn't gaff. People should be terrified of China. No one knows what's going on in that country, and there are billions of them. I'm not going to worry about anything, mate. I ain't going to worry about nothing. I'm not going to worry about it. We can't control that. You know, whatever. I don't know. I haven't got an opinion on it. What does everybody think about China controlling everything? I mean, it was great for Bitcoin. When they said they were going to shut down Bitcoin, it was great. Bitcoin just took off. It was always going to take off, and China can't control it. It's trying to, but anyway, it is what it is. Oh, some of you don't understand about the international text. Oh, okay, hang on. You just got to add a +1. That's what happened. Some of you couldn't text me, right? 646, there we go. I91, there we go. All I've done is add a +1. See it? There it is. You need your name and address, so I can mail out the mug to you. But yeah, you need to put a +1. All right. Martin, can you confirm if you received my email? That's Mr. Steckel. Let's keep our eye on the markets while we're trading, of course. Let's go over. We're watching for Tesla. We're trying to get a bounce on that one share. Let's have a look. Someone sent me an email. Mr. Steckel. Let's have a look. Steckel Jones. Yep. I got your email. James McManus, Lex Law, Liam Sankey. There you go. I've got everybody's email. Oh, dear me. Fantastic. This is brilliant. All right. Let's have a look. Lucid still not making any recovery. Trading sideways. Oh, just a slight bit, a bit of a bounce. Bitcoin just trading down sideways, down a little bit today right now. Tesla waiting for a bounce. I'll probably get it later on today. I wouldn't be surprised if by the end of the day, Virgin Galactic's doing great. I'm only down 5%. Look, see, that's my position there, look. We've got an army of people watching us over there on TikTok. If you want to be part of the show, and you want to talk to my traders and to my trading screens, be a real trader, because 99% of people on TikTok are just scrolling through looking for nonsense. We have the most amazing community of traders that make money and do great things and so on. If you want to be part of that, click the profile, click it again, and click the YouTube link, and within 3 seconds you'll be on my live YouTube show, being part of a great family. All right. Okay. Once again, we've got a shout out. If anybody has a birthday or someone they know has a birthday, would like a happy birthday song, let me know and I'll do that for you right now. Demon Slayer, smiley face. We've got some more information, of course, tomorrow, Rivian, the biggest IPO in a decade. Let's get some more information on it. Let's go over to some more breaking news live on the Day Trader.
Guys, because when I've talked with executives in the auto industry, all of them say the same thing. This is the IPO to watch. If you were going to play one IPO in the EV autonomous space over the last couple of years, this was the one that they said you wanted to keep your eye on.
Phil, that makes a lot of sense. The Amazon deal, the Amazon partnership. But it's really weird to think of Amazon being in a partnership where it doesn't own the entire thing, or where it's not able to kind of use its muscle
No, understand
to get the
what you're
best
saying.
deal. It's just a different. I'm trying to think of another single Amazon partnership where the stakes are the same, where they own 20% in the company, not the whole company, not zero of the company, so they can't kind of browbeat them into a better deal. It's just interesting, especially to consider that valuation being so much higher than Honda, which sells 5 million cars a year.
Sure. But that gets back to the story that we've been talking about for some time when it comes to traditional automakers that have not yet made a transition into the world of electric and autonomous vehicles. One other thing to keep in mind with Amazon, Becky, think about all of the data that they are going to be collecting through the Rivian electric Amazon delivery vans. 100,000 are on order. I've been told that order base is going to grow substantially in the future. And the reason that Amazon is a partner with Rivian is that CEO R.J. Scaringe early on said, I want two things when I find my partners. And this was a number of years ago. I want a data tech company, and I want an established automaker to help us with the manufacturing. That's ultimately why they partnered with Ford, ultimately why they partnered with Amazon. Very strategic about how they've grown this company. And R.J. Scaringe, he is one of these CEOs who's very intense but understated. And he sought out Amazon. He talked to other tech companies as well, but he sought out Amazon because of the potential for what Amazon could bring to the table on the tech side.
There you go. So what do you think about that? I think it's going to be absolutely fantastic. It's tomorrow. Today, oh, hang on a minute. What have we got here? What have we got here? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Let's get into the down here a second. Musa, today is... but let's do a song when Hood... Today, it's your birthday today? Is it Musanella? Is it your birthday today? Today is birthday. He has lived there 19 years. What's going on? Musanella, are you saying today is your birthday? But let's do the song when Hood hits 48 plus. We can do another song when you... Is it your birthday today? Is it Musanella's birthday today? We need to clarify that because I don't quite understand what you just said there in that sentence. Virgin Galactic is now holding its position. Lovely. It's Lucid's now trading sideways. Not a lot going on. It's going to be quite a quiet market today, I reckon now. I reckon. Let me just check with Musanella. Let me put his comment on the screen. Today is birthday. Today, my birthday. It's Musanella's birthday, everybody. What the hell? It's What? Hang on a second. It's Musanella's birthday, everybody. We've got to do happy birthday to Musanella. Right. Now, whenever we do a song on the show, we have to get everyone's approval because this is the Day Trader. We're very, very serious about money. We're very, very serious about trading and stuff like that. So if everybody in the live chat says yes, sing happy birthday to Musanella, right? Because he just bought everybody a mug, so you've got no choice. You've got... Yeah, you've got to do it, right? If everybody now can Give me the okay to do happy birthday to Muzanella. I want every single person to say, yes, it's okay. Wish happy birthday to Muzanella. We'll do happy birthday right now, live in the show. But you've got to do it. I want every single person to agree. Because if we don't get everyone to agree, I don't do it. Because it has to be unanimous. Everybody has to agree to it. Because I don't want anyone going, I came in here to watch a day trader show and you started singing songs. We don't want any of that going on, all right? We don't want any of that going on. So everyone's got to agree to it, right? Half of you have, half of you haven't. Over on TikTok, quick. One of my friends over on TikTok, Sarah Domenicano, I think that is, Dominicano. Come over to YouTube, click the profile link twice, and then your YouTube link is right there. I love my new family. We are your family, mate. We're every day doing our thing. There we go. Let's share some happy birthdays. Yeah, we've not got everyone to agree it yet. Everyone, we got Bill's agreeing it. We haven't got Christopher Marantette. He's miserable. He's not agreeing to anything. Happy Graphics Card is wished happy birthday. Demon Slayer has wished happy birthday. Yes, he has. Thank you to all my new family. There we go. Who else has said yes? Not everybody. Baby Game hasn't said yes. Mr. Stecco hasn't said yes. Christopher hasn't said yes. There's a few yet to say yes. And when we do, we'll share it. We'll do it. Sorry, I'm at work. Yes, by all means, wish happy birthday. Well, that's okay now then. We have the official seal of approval from Christopher Marantette, who is my mate. All right? And he said it's okay. You can do it. That's good. I'm glad about that. So, all right. Fantastic. So let me go over to the back of the studio. We've had clearance, everybody. We've had clearance. So we're going to do a quick happy birthday. And I want everyone now in the live chat to copy and paste happy birthday. Copy and paste happy birthday, right? 100 times. I'm not joking. Copy and paste happy birthday 100 times. Let's do it nice and quick. In Queen's voice, the salutation is approved. Brilliant. Here we go. All right. All right, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Doodly boom doom. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Muzanella. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you, do-do-do. Happy birthday, na-na-na-na to you. Happy birthday, Muzanella. Happy birthday to you. There we go. Happy birthday, mate. There's your happy birthday song from all of us here on the Day Trader. And he's a great member of our community and family. We love him to bits. And thank you ever so much for getting everybody a mug. I can't believe you've done that. Amazing. All right. All right. Oh, hang on a minute. Let me just get that set. Everybody on TikTok, they missed that because they were watching the back of the screen because they didn't come over to TikTok in time. Christian Dowden, hey, you guys rock. No problem. The one and only Muzanella. We got happy birthday. Love it, love it, love it. There we go. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Isn't that great? Right. Hang on. Change my camera around. There we go. That's better. All right, there we go. All right, well, we're coming to the end of the show today. It's been absolutely great. We've got 21 likes. This is great considering that we've been gone for 4 weeks, 5 weeks, I don't know, whatever it's been. Now, I'll be back at 2:30 Central Time, 3:30 Eastern Time for the closing bell. Then, of course, we've got the 4 p.m. show, Central Time, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. All the times are in your time zone on the channel. So go and check out the channel, right? And we are going to be trying to sell my position of Tesla. Just that one share. Might get rid of my croc as well. Just for the hell of it. Because we're preparing for the morning. And we're going to get out our IPO for Rivian. Now, we've got Dr. Nathan Smith who's going to pop in and see what he does, because he's ordered a pre-IPO. I haven't done it because I want to keep the show clean for you guys and keep everything on the Robinhood app, so it's easier to present the show. So if it costs me money, that's fine. I don't care. I want to do what's best for you guys, right? So that's what we're looking to do. And then in the morning, we're going to be live on the IPO buying the Rivian, whatever the price is. I don't care. The moment it pops, I'm going to buy it, and then we're going to go from there. We're going to catch the dips, and we're going to be involved. All right, we're going to be involved in that tomorrow. Use up all my buying power. If I can get out of Tesla one share today, I will. Virgin Galactic, I'm now just down 5%. This is fantastic. This is really popping up nicely today. Robinhood is now moving upwards. There we go. That's good. Lucid is moving up as well. Harpoon slightly. Bitcoin dropping off a bit. That's where... Well, we're down a bit, not much. Right, okay, so I'll see you all back later. Happy birthday. Peace out, everyone. Thank you. See you all later. If you've not emailed me yet, email me, text me. We're going to set up the shop this afternoon, all courtesy of Muzanella. I can't believe on his birthday he's buying everybody birthday presents. I mean, what's that all about? What a great guy he is. All right, so I'm going to see you all later. And hang on, wrong one. Let's click the right one. There we go. That's brilliant. I'll see you all later. Have a lovely, lovely day. Take care of yourselves. Thanks for supporting the channel. Amazing, right? I can't believe this, how we're growing. Can you believe now we've got now 1,630 subscribers in just, is it our 10th week? I think it is. All right. Take care of yourselves. See you all back in a bit. Have a great day. Happy trading, and see you back in a bit. Bye-bye for now.